Hello students, let's discuss a question from JEE Mian 2017 from the chapter Current Electricity. So which of the following statement is false? We have four statements. First statement is Wheatstone's bridge is most sensitive when all the four resistors are of same order of magnitude. So this is the balance condition of a Wheatstone's bridge. So Wheatstone's bridge to be more sensitive should be in balanced condition. So if all the resistance are of same order or in same ratio, it will be balanced and it is more sensitive. Second statement is in a balanced Wheatstone's bridge, cell and galvanometer are exchanged. The null point is disturbed. See, it is like this. We are exchanging galvanometer and cell. So we can redraw this as, if we name it as A, B, C and D, across B and D we have a voltage source and across A and C we have galvanometer. So across A and C we have galvanometer and across B and D we have voltage source, which is also looks like a Wheatstone's bridge, and if it satisfies the condition of balance bridge, it will act as high sensitive Wheatstone's bridge. So in second question, second option, it is given that if in a balanced Wheatstone's bridge the cells and galvanometer are exchanged, null point is disturbed. Null point will not be disturbed. So third option is, so this is our right option. B is false. Let's check for other two. A rheostat can be used as a potential divider. Rheostat is variable resistance. Actually it looks like somewhat like this. A moving arm will be there. If we move this, we can change the value of resistance. Suppose it is at a position this part will have one resistance and this part will have another resistance. If we apply a voltage across it, it will get divided. So we can use rheostat as voltage divider. And fourth option is Kirchhoff's second law represents energy conservation. It's also true. You all know that for Kirchhoff's second law, voltage across a closed loop remains same or equal to sum of voltage equal to 0. If voltage across this resistance is V1, this resistance is V2 and this resistance is V3 and our supply voltage is E, sum of all this will be same. That is, energy in this loop will remain same. So our right option is B. To know more about concept of Wheatstone's bridge, you can watch the video here, which is of small duration, and you can go through the books H.C. Verma, Concept of Physics Part 2, page number 181, line number 7, and Electricity and Magnetism by D.C. Pandey, page number 47, line number 1. Thank you, students.